So hi folks, welcome to Salesforce in Minutes channel. In today's video we're going to see what are the standard custom object fields. So let's get into the video. So what are the standard objects? Standard objects are nothing but the tables which is provided from the Salesforce when you create your develop org and these are the default tables and the predefined table which is provided from the Salesforce. And custom objects are nothing but the tables which we as a user create based on our requirements. So that's like a that's a save standard object and custom object. So these are the some few standard objects provided from the Salesforce like account, contact, lead, opportunity, campaigns. And custom object, let's say I have a requirement for a to create an app for supermarket. So I'm creating a warehouse. This is a custom object which I'm creating, or let's say transportation. This is another custom object which I'm creating for supermarket. So it's a table which we are creating based on the requirement. So same thing is the standard field and custom field. So these are the fields which is provided from the Salesforce, and standard field is will be provided in a standard object as well as in the custom object while you create. So there are few standard fields which will be provided as soon as you create it, and the custom fields are the field which we as a user we create it, and it will be created from on both custom object and as well as the standard object. So let's go to the org and see how it works. So here this is the Salesforce org. This is the Salesforce main page, and if you want to work anything related to the objects and fields, go to the object manager, and here you can see all the tables which nothing but the objects, the label and the API name, and whether it's a standard or custom objects. So the label is nothing but the UI name. API name is the backend name which we use when you work on code or whatever, and all these things. So let's see one of the standard objects, the account. This is standard object, and here we can see the few standard fields. The account name, these are all the standard fields. So I'll create a custom field right now in a standard object. Okay, I'm creating a text field. Its data type is text actually for that field. So please follow the proper naming convention. Just for the demo purpose, I'm giving this name. So length we can mention it as 30. Description is what is the field related to. It is for developer purpose, and help text is what is this field for the user purpose. Like what is a field used in that specific object for a user when he is entering the data from the UI. Okay. So required is to make this field whether mandatory or you make this field unique, case sensitive, or external ID. You want to include this report in a reports in this field in a report. So use the report type. You want to check in. So I'll go next. So these are all profile settings, and these are layouts. Profiles and layouts we can see in the future videos. So now, as for now, I'm just giving save. Okay, the field is created, and here you can see a difference. So if you want to identify whether the field is a standard or custom, you can see a double underscore C on back of the field. So if it's a double underscore C, which means it's a custom field. If you can't see any double underscore C after the field name, it's a standard field. Okay. So, and it goes the same for object also. If you see a double underscore C after an object name, it's a custom object. If not, it's a standard object. Okay. So I will show few examples of a custom object for as I created before. See, you can see a double underscore C. It's a custom object. Battle station, all these things are custom object, and campaign is a standard object. Okay. So I'll create a custom object right now. I'll create name as warehouse, and the plural name is nothing but is a tab name. Whenever you're entering more records, it will be a plural format, and if you're creating a tab, this name will be picked actually. So I'll give the same name as warehouses. Okay, I'll go with this one. Description we are known with this one. So record name and data type is like whenever you create a custom object, this is a standard field which is created, and this is the first field. Let's keep it as this is the first field you enter, you creating here. So this is the warehouse name, and what is the data type for this field? We can keep it whatever, auto number or text. text, you don't have enter. If your auto number, you need to give the format. So this is a standard format, you guys need to follow it. So I'm giving this one, and starting number you can make it as 1. You want to make this custom object allowed for reports, access reports, activities, and chatter group, everything give access and make it as deployed, and always give allow for search and save it. Yeah, the custom object is created, and see, you can see a double underscore c below here. And as I mentioned before, so whenever you create a custom object, there will be a few standard fields created from the Salesforce, like owner of the fee, whatever record, and currency, and created date, and everything will be thing. And this is a field which we created while you're creating the custom object. See, warehouse name. So now I'm creating a custom field in a custom object, and we can see the differences in the standard field and custom field. Okay. So I'll go with number. I'm just giving it as number. Okay, we don't have to check anything. Next, save. Yeah, the field is created. So see, you can see the difference. The double underscore c, this is a custom field. These are all standard fields. Okay, that's it for this video. So if you want to follow more videos related to the Salesforce lectures, please follow this YouTube channel. And if you want the notes of this video, please follow these 3 and social media handles, and mainly Instagram. I will post all the notes for this video. So thank you guys.